Let's read the question. In the reaction, 4 moles of NH3 reacts with 5 moles of O2 to give 4 moles of NO and 6 moles of water. When 2 moles of NH3 is allowed to react with 3 moles of O2, then. So student, first of all, I'm writing the balanced reaction. Here, 4 moles of NH3 reacts with 5 moles of O2. That means 2 moles of NH3 will react with 2.5 moles of O2. Here amount of O2 given is 3 mole. That means O2 is given in excess and the excess amount is 0.5 mole. Also, it is very clear that NH3 is the limiting reagent. So student, 1 mole of O2 is left in excess. Option number 1 is incorrect, as it is very clear that 0.5 mole of O2 is left in excess. Moving to next, O2 is the limiting reagent. This is also an incorrect option, as it is very clear that ammonia is the limiting reagent. Moving to next, students, in this case, we have to identify the product formed. Also, it is very clear, we have already discussed that the amount of product formed depends upon the limiting reagent. So student, 4 moles of ammonia gives 4 moles of NO and 6 moles of water. So 2 mole of ammonia will give 2 mole of NO and 3 mole of H2O. Here it is given 3 mole of H2O, that means number 3 is correct, and 4 mole of NO. This is an incorrect option as 2 moles of NO is formed. So the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 62. Let's read the question. The maximum number of electrons in an atom that can have quantum number n equals to 4 and L equals to 2 is. Student, first of all, n equals to 4 and L equals to 2 represents 4D, and 4D can accommodate maximum 10 electrons. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 63. Let's read the question. The orbital angular momentum of an electron in p orbital is equals to. Student, the formula to calculate orbital angular momentum is under root L plus 1 H cross. Here L represents azimuthal quantum number, and for p orbital the value of L is 1. So under root 1 plus 1 H cross, which is equals to root 2 H cross. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 64. Let's read the question. The shape of an atomic orbital is determined by. Students, the shape of an atomic orbital is determined by azimuthal quantum number, that is L. So the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is question number 65. Let's read the question. The possible correct set of 4 quantum numbers for the valence electron of sodium atom is. So student, first of all, I'm writing the electronic configuration of sodium. So sodium has atomic number 11. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. This is the valence shell. So student, the valence electron exists in 3s subshell. And for 3s, the value of n is 3. The value of L is 0. The value of M is 0. And S can have either a plus half value or minus half value. That means the correct set of 4 quantum numbers is represented in option number 3. So the correct answer is option 3. Moving to next question.